thutha wa ministry ya ugitiri kuhetukira minister Fred Matiang'i kumenyithia bururi kuhetukira bunge ati munini wa President William Ruto we na utonga wake marangagirwo ni thigari 257. Minister Matiang'i na mwandiki mukaru wa ministry yo Karaja Kibicho makoretwo mokereirwo ni munini wa president na ona ateti aria mamunyitaga mbaru, no Kibicho arauga irumi na inegene riu retiramahahura.
Sisi tulipeana majibu na tunasimama na hiyo majibu.
Kibicho arauga riboti yo maneanire ni yama, riu akiuria a Kenya metuire matua agikinyiriria ati we na Matiang'i matirahumuka wira-ini uria mabatie kuruta.
Ni majibu wizara ya usalama wa ndani, tunasimama naye na itakuwa tu ni hiari ya Wakenya wachague, watakuwa wanasikiliza na kuamini siasa ya barabara ama watakuwa wanasikiza wanaamini ile maneno wamepewa na wale watu wameandikwa kuwapea service, na tumepeana on record. Ni kitu tumeandika, kama iko swali tumeandika, sisi hatuongei kwa barabara.
Maya magiokarire mubunge wa Rwaraka TJ Kajwang okireire Ruto na mbuto yake ni gukirira wira wa kamiti ya ugitiri ya bunge kuria Matiang'i aheanire ripoti iyo.
I had him the other day giving the agenda to the National Assembly. Obviously he was running away from the exposure that happened, that in a ratio of police to citizens, he has almost about 39 police stations at every given time.
Nake seneta wa Homa Bay Moses Kajwang arenda Ruto atunyukithio thigari icio na itumu kurangira a Kenya aria maranyamarika kumana na wagi wa ugitiri.
Those resources, they need to be streamlined, spread to the areas where they are needed, to the lake, Vitongojiduni, where we need security, and not to the VIPs. Nobody, no single person is worth 257 policemen when so many Kenyans are dying because of insecurity in different parts of the country.
Adwini Hainoro TV, jitago Harun Njoroge wa Maina.